I noticed the other day, and I think I've seen this before, the metal screws that I'm using, there is variations. And in some aspects, I like parts of one variation and the other part I don't like. So on this one, it's pretty straightforward. I don't know if you, yeah, maybe there. All the ridges are equal, so the screw part is pretty equal, and it's got a good point. Now, sometimes with these, they just do not go in good. I don't know if the point's a little blunt or something, but most of the time they go in real good. But just once in a while, especially when my arm's extended, I don't have the pressure on it. They don't go in very good, but they stay nice and straight when they're turning, and I'm happy with them. These, so this is another brand, I guess. I notice that every other thread is lower. So they really don't have the staying power that the other ones do. It's like they lost metal. Like there's barely a thread every other one. So I don't like that. But the one thing I do like is they have a little cut in the end to really screw down in, kind of like a drill screw combination. So that part I do like. Otherwise, they are very similar, same head design, the same metal covering, and probably neoprene. This one seems to be a little thicker though, so I do like that. So all in all, I do like this screw better. The white is irrelevant really. I had a box of white ones, but most of the time I do not get the white ones. But I used up all the other ones, otherwise I would have showed you one of them. But overall, these are very good. These seem to be a little chintzy. I mean, you can see the neoprene part is like half the thickness, half the screw is not really, the thread is not there. The only good thing is I like how they have that little part there. So one good aspect on this one, but otherwise this is more what I'm looking for. All the threads are nice and deep. So I don't know, it's the little things sometimes I worry about, but there you go. I'll let you decide what you like.